Hi, my name is David Cohon. I'm the CEO of Sheer Science. We were in the process of launching a new brand, and we needed support and help to make a very aggressive deadline. We were introduced to Growth by Sabir, and we were hoping that they would be able to facilitate what we needed in a very aggressive timeline. We met with Sabir and my team, and they explained to us what they could do for us and how they would do it. We were all very impressed, and we knew we'd be in good hands. Once the process was initiated, they helped us build a Shopify site, get it up and running, tested, and we also needed to get our Amazon site or listing up and running, and they were fantastic. We knew we didn't have the bandwidth. We knew we didn't always have the know-how. Sabir taught us really, they explained to us what we didn't know, and they were really excellent. The end product was good, on time, communication was great along the way, and I am very happy to recommend Growth by Sabir. I am certain you will have the same great experience we did, and thank you.